So in the for loop, before the for, I am initializing one variable, clear? Count, and its value is 1. Now for, inside the body of for, I'm writing, this is the PHP method, but first of all I will show you the C++ method. Declare it and initialize it inside. Then in the second part, the condition count is less than or equal to 10, and count plus plus, clear? Create the body of for loop, and here writing print. What I'm printing? That Nemacha is the president. That the variable name counter count times true is concatenation count multiply with 2 concatenation line break semicolon. Save it, and now we will execute it. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, and up till the 10. Clear? Now I'm writing the same program, but this time I will write it with another method. So making it as a comment, and this time for defining one variable count is equal to 1. Count is less than or equal to 10 semicolon. Now I don't want to initialize this variable inside it. So what shall I do? Remove it from here, and I'm writing it here. But if you initialize it outside the body of for, the parenthesis of for, so then you need to write here semicolon. If you remove it, error will be generated. If you put it, then it will take its definition automatically from here. Clear? How this know that I need to get the value from here? Because in the condition you use the count name. Clear? So it will take the count initial value from here at this location. If you remove it, it will give you error. Clear? If you put it, so now it is getting its definition from top. Clear? And I'm creating the body of for loop. Now inside that, printing the same statement, print count variable, count, or suppose I'm writing here 2 multiply count is equal to concatenate 2 multiply count, again concatenate using a line break. Clear? And here inside that, the count plus plus. Save it, and we will see the result. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, and so on. Clear? So these are two methods we discussed for the for and the for as well. Clear? So now we will discuss about the nesting of loop. Making this comment for you. So look at the slide. Nesting of loops. What is nesting of loops? Loop statement can contain other loop statements. This combination is particularly useful when working with dynamically created HTML tables. Clear? Yes. So program on the next slide will use two statements to print a multiplication table in the browser. Clear? What is that program? Look at here. I am going to create that program so that each and everything will be clear to you, that how the nested loops are used. Clear? So I am writing here first of all the first loop for, and I am declaring one variable, first of all the row. Clear? Row is equal to 1 semicolon. Again the condition, how many times I need to execute this loop. Row is less than or equal to 10 semicolon, and row plus plus. Now I am creating a body. If you don't want to create, so then directly you can write the for, just like as in the slide. Clear? I create the body, so creating the body is better. So creating the body of for. Now inside that I'm writing the second for column. This is for column. Column is equal to 1. It starts from 1, and column is less than or equal to row. Clear? I will explain this condition to you. I will explain this. Here I use the 5, but if you use the row, so that is better. So semicolon and column plus plus. Now inside that I'm creating the body of the second for. So what I need to display? I need to display that print one static. Clear? I just want to print one static, and that's it. And using the line break, but line break will be after the second loop. Clear? Not in the body of here, not in the body of this. If you put the line break in the body of the second loop, so static line will not be created. One vertical line will be created, not the horizontal lines will be created. Clear? I will show you both of the difference. Look at here. First of all, I am printing the static here, the line break here. Look at here. Print which is wrong, then I will make it right. So line break and save it. So I'm executing it. Look at here. All the vertical line is created. Clear? But I don't want it. So that's why I just putting this line break after the second loop. Now it is in the first loop. Save it and now see. So this is great. Clear? Now what will happen? Look at the code. This loop will execute for 10 times. Clear? And as you can see, there are 10 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Clear? Now this loop is executed for 10 times. Now what this loop is executed for the number of times the first loop is executing. How? Look at the condition. Column is 1, column value is 1 here, and the top loop, this top loop is executing for the first time. So 1 is less than 1, no, 1 is equal to 1, yes. So this will be printed for one time, and you will see one static here. Clear? Now again the control will go to this loop. The value of row will become what? 2. Clear? Now this loop will be executed for again. 2 is less than 10, yes, condition is true. So again the second loop will be executed. Now the column value is 1, but the row value is 2. So 1 is less than 2, yes. So it will print it again. Again it will, after the increment, it will check the condition. the column value will become 2 this time. So 2 is less than 2, no, but 2 is equal to 2. So again it will be executed for the second time. So this time 2 statics will be printed. Clear? Now again the control will go back to the first loop, and this time the loop value will become what? 3. Clear? 3 is less than 10. The condition is true. Now again this statement will be executed. Column value is again 1 and row value is 3. So 1 is less than 3? Yes. This will be executed for one time. Again after increment, column value will be changed to 2. So 2 is less than 3? Yes. So again second time static will be printed. Again after increment, column value will become 3. 3 is less than 3? No, but 3 is equal to 3. So for the third time 3 statics will be printed. Clear? And so on. Clear? Until the first loop condition will become false, the second loop will be executing itself again and again. Clear? So that is what we have discussed in today's lecture. So after the break I will give you time for practice.